and I'll be showing you how to make a personalised Hessian dog Santa sack. On Christmas morning, everyone in the family gets to wake up to a Santa sack full of goodies, so why should your dog have to miss out on all the fun? To make a dog Santa sack, you'll need cardboard, texture, scissors, glue, Hessian, latex gloves, wooden letters, a dust mask, and spray paint. The first thing you're going to do is grab a texture and draw a pattern on the cardboard. I'm going to draw a bone because my dog loves bones. Grab your scissors and cut your pattern out. Now that I've got my pattern, I'm going to grab my Hessian, fold it in half, trace around the pattern, and then cut it out. Now I've cut my pattern out, it's time to glue it together. Fold the top piece away from the bottom piece so that when you glue it together, the same edges will meet up. Make sure you wear gloves, you don't want to glue your fingers together. Glue them around the edge, but leave an opening at one end so you can get your goodies inside. Handy tip, leave some cardboard underneath so you don't glue it to the table. Make sure to keep your glue close to the edge. I've got my glue on, now I'm going to attach the top piece. Make sure you line your edges up. When the glue is first applied, it goes on white, but when it's dry, it'll be fully clear. Hessian has a loose weave and will fray, so let's put some glue around the edges to prevent it from fraying too much. Use your cardboard between the layers to prevent them from sticking together. Make sure you get the glue right over the edge. Once the glue turns clear, it's dry. I'm going to personalise the Santa sack with my dog's name. I'm using wooden letters and spray paint. Now that my letters and my sack are dry, I'm going to glue the letters onto the front of the sack. Make sure you put a piece of cardboard inside the sack so you don't glue it all together. Now put the glue on the back and stick it down. And our personalised dog Santa sack is complete. Now when your dog wakes up on Christmas Day with this full of presents, he'll be the happiest dog on the block.